Mars, the moon, and meteors, all in the minds of skywatchers this week. Meteorologist John Hickey shows us the busy week of skywatching ahead in tonight's Skywatch 16.
Well, it was a couple of years ago that Mars Perseverance rover landed on the Martian surface, and it's starting to run out of juice up there now, so we're not really hearing as much about it. But it went up with a little friend, so to speak, attached to it, and that would be Ingenuity, which was a little helicopter. It weighs about 4 pounds, and recently it completed its 54th flight on the Martian surface, and it sent back a very interesting looking image. And there you go. That's what it looks like from the surface of Mars. And Ingenuity is looking down. And if you stare closely, I know it's a little bit of a grainy image, but isn't it cool that we're seeing stuff from Mars? But this thing right here, that's the Perseverance rover that Ingenuity is looking back down on. This flight lasted a little under 2 minutes time, and it went up about 16 feet off of the Martian surface and took a little look-see around, and will continue to make flights as long as it has a little bit of juice. So that helps to complete this segment when we talk about in our commercials for it anyway, or the promotions that would tell you about what else is going on in space. Now, here's some stuff that you can look for, and it all starts tomorrow morning. If you're looking off to the east, early tomorrow morning, we'll hope that it's clear enough for you. Look for a waning crescent moon near the Pleiades star cluster, also known as the Seven Sisters. And then waking up the next morning, so as you wake up Thursday morning, you'll see our waning crescent moon lower on the horizon near a bright star, Aldebaran. Now, coming up this weekend, it's the best meteor shower, typically speaking, of the entire year, the one most of us look forward to because it happens during the warmer months of August. The Perseid meteor shower peaks very early Sunday morning. This is one of those after midnight, before sunrise kind of a deals. Could see as many as 20 to 30 or more per hour, depending on just how dark the sky conditions are where you are. And you're going to want to look generally off towards the northeast, and the origin point for them is in the constellation Perseus. So, of course, that's the big meteor shower, the best one, typically speaking, of the entire year, Scott, and we'll hope, as always, for clear skies for it.
Work on that for us, John.
Doing my best.
Thank you, sir.